Hey everyone out there, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the incredible team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And I'm going to talk to you today, Chicago, about your L. Now, if you're in the Windy City, you know what the L means, right? But most people think I'm a loss or whatever. I'm talking about the L, the elevated subway, the train system you guys have. My question is, why are we not covering this thing in solar panels, right? The structure is already there. It would be real simple to build a skeleton just to support solar panels. Don't weigh a lot. So to create a system to support a structure above that and build off of it, it wouldn't require all that much rebracing from the original structure to add to this. And if we can maybe look at powering the trains with the panels that we're generating from, it's a win all the way around. I'd like this video to get workshopped and shared around. I'm guessing this has already been discussed at some point, but I'd like this to be discussed and really catch fire, because not just in Chicago, but in other cities across the world, this is an opportunity. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you're thinking. I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys. All that said, thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.